Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P. Shapiro, located in San Diego, California, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. And one group of individuals who we've represented over the years at a really high level have been nurses. And nurses who come to us who may be under investigation for a crime or who may already have been charged with a crime and who are extremely concerned, and understandably so, with what effect a criminal charge, a criminal investigation, God forbid a criminal conviction, will have on their ability to maintain their chosen employment. And that's stuff that we don't take lightly. And that's stuff that we think that we are really well equipped to handle in identifying what are the ways that we could help prevent nursing board issues from day one. And one of the first things we will do is identify, okay, what is the current status of your license? When are you up for renewal? What, if any, self-disclosure obligations do you have at this stage? And then what we would suggest is that we bring on an experienced administrative licensing attorney, one who particularly works with nurses. And then we could ask for what's known as a collateral consequences letter, where we could speak to that other attorney and say, hey, if our client is convicted of this charge versus this charge, what's the difference on their license? Which gives them the better chance if it's a case where negotiating it may be in your best interest. And that's a situation where we specifically will tailor an outcome or our goal and calibrate our goals based on what matters to you. Because what may look the same on paper to anybody may make a world of a difference to you. Other times people may look at an outcome we're able to negotiate and say, well, that doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Well, if it does for you, if it protects your license, it protects your ability to work, then that's the route we're going to go. And on the flip side of it, other times we may get an offer and people may say, how in the world is your client not taking that? Well, because if it means you're going to lose a nursing license, it's the same as being convicted of everything. It's the worst case situation in many of our cases, and we treat it as such. And then we'll also prescribe from a criminal law standpoint, from a mitigation standpoint, what you can be and what you should be doing to present yourself in the best light possible, whether you have a nursing license, whether you have a nursing credential or not. And a lot of that is overlapped with what you may very well need to be doing for the nursing board, what you may very well need to be doing working with your administrative law attorney and your licensing attorney to cast you in the best light over there. So that's a couple of things you want to really factor in if you're dealing with a nursing license and a criminal case. Even more than at any other time, you want to be proactive. You want to have a high quality, locally experienced criminal defense firm handling the criminal case, advising you, being aware of the situation, being aware of your license, being aware of everything and anything that matters to you, and to set that as the goal, to prioritize, to keep that license intact, to put you in touch with the right professional attorneys who could work with you on the licensing issue, work side by side with them to protect you both inside the courtroom and also with the nursing board. So if you find yourself as a nursing professional being accused of a crime or worse, charged with the crime, don't know where to turn, we're a phone call away, 619-295-3555.